Hi, welcome to Daniel's Hungry. I'm Daniel, this is Isaac, and today we're going to be making a cabrito in the Ataud. First things first, we're going to go ahead and put some charcoal up here. So what happens is we're going to put the fire up here. Once you get that started, the cabrito will come, and that up, down, see? Will come in here, and then it's going to be kind of like baking in there. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and put this carbon over here. It's basically wood that's already been burnt or whatever, already made. Your best choice, Del Bravo. Alright, so go ahead, Isaac, put that bad boy in there. That's the benefit of having kids that can pick stuff up now. They can go ahead and do it for you. He got it. What? Let's go, boy. You got this.
Let's see if it goes out.
Kick his ass. get him, get him. Yeah, look. There's some more in that bag still. See, it already looks done. Go ahead, put the chivo in there.
This?
No, the chivo, fool. Alright, let's go ahead and light it up. So how we like to start a fire, we got this little butane tank here, little Coleman, and then got the Benzomatic, and then go ahead and start up. Okay. Do it again, hold on. Pushes it, let go. And there you go, now it's on. So go ahead and put it right here. If you leave this like this, it practically does it itself, right? Easy money. In no time, the thing's gonna be on fire. See, guys, you get 2-3 good spots. That's already going. I got some going over here. Got that going in no time. That took probably about 5 minutes. I mean, it's relatively quick. You don't have to be over there putting lighter fluid and all this stuff. I don't like that. Probably one of the quickest ways, I think, to get a fire going. Okay, so next thing to do, we're gonna go ahead and get this going. I'm gonna open this up. Get this out. I'm thinking about lining this with aluminum foil. That way it keeps, I mean, it's got the little drip pan or whatever, but I don't want to be cleaning stuff up. So I might do that, I might not. I'm thinking about doing it though. Okay, we got 2 cabritos here. Defrosting, put some water and salt. And it's been on there for about an hour and a half. So yeah, that's the first thing to do. You can get it off ice, get it unmelted, thawed out, and we'll get this thing ready for cooking.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so what I did was I took it out the sink and I dried it with the towel just a little bit. And all we're going to do is put some olive oil and some garlic salt. And we're going to put in the olive oil real quick, like that, nice lathered up. And then the garlic salt. And then that's going to give it a nice crunch. It's going to get it nice and toasty once it gets baked. So that's all this thing needs. It comes out super delicious, really awesome. If you ever had it, you know what I'm talking about. Okay. Okay, we got this fire ready to go. Isaac, what do you think?
Yeah.
Ready to put it in. Alright, let's go get it.
Dun 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 dun.
Getting married. Hear that? Already sizzling.
Sizzle, sizzle.
Okay, we're gonna leave it like this about an hour and a half, and then we're gonna turn it. Okay, it'll be done probably in 2.5, 3 hours. Okay, let's do it. So we ended up putting half of the other cabrito in there. So we made that other scoochy over, scooch, and then the other half we're gonna go ahead and make a guisado. Okay, so I'll show you how to make that too. So here we got the other half of the cabrito. I'm gonna go ahead and chop it up in a bunch of pieces to make the guisado. Aquí ya partimos unos, los ponemos acá. Alright, so we got our cabrito in, half of it. And now we're gonna get 1 onion chopped in cubes and then half a head of garlic. Okay, so that's gonna go in here. And then we're gonna add some water. I went ahead and added some some water, and now we're gonna add it garlic salt. Alright guys, we went ahead and put this thing on here. We just put it in, just water, garlic, garlic salt, onions, and the cabrito. Okay, that's gonna be for now. We're gonna let it, we're gonna stir it a little bit and then let that thing cook. And then we're gonna add some more ingredients. Now down here, this thing looking pretty good. Gonna give it about another 30 minutes. It's been about an hour. About another 30 minutes, and then we're gonna flip it. Alright, so here I just added some cilantro, some tomatoes, some black pepper, and a little bit of garlic salt. Okay, so now we're just gonna stir, and the juices, bro, it smells delicious. The juices are gonna come out. Okay, it's gonna flavor this whole thing, and then later I'm gonna add a little bit of tomato sauce to that, and it's gonna be delish. Okay, so right about now it's about that time to go ahead and turn these bad boys. So give me a second, stand by. Alright guys, look at here. Thing looking good. Okay.
That was buzzing.
Looks buzzing. Okay, so now we're gonna turn and do the flipperoo on this one. Look at that. Get in there. Like the kids say, it looks buzzing. Whatever that means.
Good.
Looks
Means
good. Does it? Is that what that means?
Yeah.
Delicious?
Delicious.
How's it smell?
Good.
Mm.
Buzzing.
Can't wait. It smells buzzing. Okay. So
Buzzing.
I think it'll be good. Probably another 30 minutes to an hour, and we'll be ready to go. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna put some tomato sauce. There's just regular tomato sauce. Okay, and then we're gonna use el pato. This is salsa de chile. This is so good. It's gonna kick it up a notch, and it's gonna make it, how the kids say, buzzing. About 30 minutes to an hour, this thing will be ready. Alright, so the bottom is done. Let's check it out. Mira nomás, papá. Come on! Woo! Okay, so this is the cabrito. Okay, up here we got the guisado. We're making the salsa. We're gonna do the salsa borracha, and then we're gonna enjoy. Check it out. Alright guys, the peppers are roasted. Tomatoes, onion, they're ready. Let's go ahead and make this. Okay guys, so all we did was we took off the ends of the jalapenos and we put everything in, and now it's time to smash. We're gonna smash it, and then we're gonna add our Budweiser. This is para el jefe. This is the kind my dad used to drink. This one's for you, Dad. Alright guys, and this is how it's gonna be smashed. I just pretty much grab the fork and the spoon, just be smashing, trying to take stuff apart. And I'm gonna let that simmer for a little bit, cook for a little bit, and then I'm gonna add the beer. Okay, so this is how it looks before I put in the beer. Okay, see how it kind of cooked and I'll let all the juices from the tomato. So now it is time. We're gonna add
Some
about half of this pint, and the rest we're gonna drink, of course. Looky here, la salsita borracha. Le echamos pimienta y ajo, garlic salt. Y ahora las tortillas. Come on. Ya mero está. And just to finish it off, guys, some quesadillas for the kiddos. Come on. Okay. Oh, that one came back. Oh. Gotta hold it. Gotta hold it. So the other day, my wife made some charro beans, and she used ham in it too. Usually we just put bacon. So today I'm gonna do bacon and ham with the beans. Okay. So first we're gonna go ahead and put this in the pot and get it ready to cook. So I'm mixing all this and get that nice and brown, and then we're gonna add some onion, some tomato, garlic, salt and pepper. Okay, we went ahead and added our onion and tomato. We're gonna add some garlic salt. I don't feel like cutting up some garlic. And then we're gonna add some cilantro. A little bit of cilantro. There we go. Mix that in. I'm gonna add some black pepper. I went ahead and added the beans. Now we just kind of mix, and I'm gonna add some water to this, just so it can be filled with water to about right there. And then these, I'm just gonna add 1, 2, I'm gonna do 3 jalapenos. Okay, and those I don't cut because it'll still give it the flavor and it won't be as spicy. Okay, and here we go. We got the cabrito guisado, we got our salsa borracha, we got our rice, got our cabrito right here, our drink, and that's the way I put it. I put it in a little cup. Got our beans ready to eat, and we got our quesadillas, guys. Check it out. Sheesh. So, bon appetit. See you later. But remember, only the strong subscribe.